Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI to summarize messages for Google Message app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First, we need to know that there isn't a way on how you can use AI to summarize your messages from your mobile phone. And we can find that from the official page of our Google Messages, and we can go to our features. And even if we go to the AI features, we won't find any features that says summarizing like the text or your messages on the Google Messages app. And all you will be able to do is to do that from your car or from your automobile. That means you will need to have the Android Auto app, and then you will be able to start having features that says message summary. And whenever you have a notification for your messages, you will have a message summary that will be sent to your auto app, and then you will be able to AI summarize your messages. So simply you will need just to go to the Android app and then go to its settings, and then you will need to receive summary of your messages under your notification, and then you will have this feature that will be on. And with Google Bits into your car, you will be able to go to settings, then go to your Google Assistant, then you will be able to start playing the message summaries on the Google app or using the Google Assistant, so it can be automatically vocalized, and then you will find your message summaries. And as you can see, you can give it just the permission to play message summary, so you can play it either aloud or you can simply see the message summary on the car screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.